Even flowers go through dirt and shit. So you just got to keep blooming. We are on this growth journey where we are supposed to learn lesson after lesson after lesson. And these lessons lead to a larger transformation that we can't even fathom. We can't even mentally think of what is actually going on. But just like flowers need soil in order to grow, we need to recognize that hardships and challenges are really a natural part of the human experience. And these elements that are in the soil that could hinder a flower from growing, all of these difficulties are the same thing. We kind of have to dodge and kind of really use these as catalysts for our personal growth and also our spiritual evolution. Because embracing them rather than trying to put them at bay is really going to help us be more self aware and also understanding to who we are really supposed to be in this lifetime. And growth is really uncomfortable. It really is facing those painful experiences in order to emerge as a stronger, more vibrant human being, just like a flower, right? And this journey is super essential as it teaches us resilience and perseverance. And even through this whole transformation, we are still talking bad about ourselves. Even though we've come so far, we still think some days that we are ugly. No, the beauty is in the imperfectionism. There are many colors and forms and unique qualities about flowers and plants. But do you think that for 1 second they don't think they're beautiful? Now, flowers don't rush their blooming process, right? Flowers take their time and allow everything to happen as it's supposed to happen, and they just grow. Growth takes time, and every single step, whether it could be perceived as good or bad, it really contributes to the unfolding of who you really are and what you want to be. And this patience, this faith that everything is going to turn out good for you and everything that is going to come out of it will be best for your highest self, that is where the spiritual development comes in. Just having faith that everything is good, the universe is on your side. And just as flowers need sunlight and water, we need nourishment for our specific souls. So, positive intentions, self care, uplifting energy, surrounding ourselves with people with positive energy. That is going to allow us to bloom, even though our environment might not be the best. So, overall, we are enduring these tough conditions, these transitions, these really hard, painful situations. But if you change your approach to that and say everything is working out the way that it's supposed to, I am growing at the speed that I am supposed to be growing, everything is happening in divine timing, that is really going to shift your mindset. So just know that even flowers go through shit. Even flowers go through dirt, but they keep blooming. And that's exactly what you are going to do today. You are going to keep going. You're going to persevere and go on this journey because you know that you are supposed to. This is today's daily message / reminder. My name is CG from the Galactic Soul, and I really hope this helped you get back on the right track today and realize that everything is happening for a reason. If you like daily messages like this, definitely hit subscribe. And if this resonated, definitely give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear from you as well in the comments. So thank you so much for being here today. And remember to always be yourself.